Hi everyone, Jack from Roadstercycle.com. Exciting news today. I got my Skyfire SVM-2. I'm jazzed. I'm excited. So anyway, here it is. I did some video of it when I got here, a little uncrating and that type of stuff. I also did a little video of the door not opening up all the way. It was only opening up like halfway, and there was a problem, so I had to take the whole side apart to fix it. So now it opened up all the way, so I'm pretty jazzed about that. So I'd like to give a shout out to Aaron Powter from Australia. He's been really great and helpful with all the Skyfire guys and that type of stuff. And now that I got mine, I'm able to do some stuff. And another shout out for Aaron is aluminum. 4 syllables, not 5. Just a little funny for you, Aaron. Not aluminium, whatever you say, aluminium. But anyway, I am stoked. The new machine's here. I'm jazzed. So I'm gonna put this all together. I gotta, edit it or whatever right now, and then it'll be up for everyone to see my setup. And I also showed you how to get it off the crate, which is quite interesting. After you get one delivered and you're like, okay, I need to get this thing off the crate. It weighs 1,600 pounds and get the wheels on it. So I did that too. So hopefully the video won't be too long or that type of stuff. And as far as shout outs, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's done Skyfire videos, Jan Boss, for helping me get this one in the United States. I'm not giving a shout out to the U.S. Customs who put it in med hold for a couple weeks. I'm not happy with those guys, but that's another whole story. So anyway, here you go. I'm going to do up the video and process it, and you can see it. All right. Take care. Bye. Well, it's in the garage. Now to get it unboxed, figure out where it's going to go. No 9 yards. So this is my Skyfire VH whatever thingy bobber. So it's time to tear it down. Tear it down and get her moved. There it is, made in frickin' China. Oh my God. Alright. Well, this is looking down from the top in the crate. Doesn't look like it hit the sides or anything anywhere, but there it is. Next, take one of the sides off. Okay, side 1 open. The unboxing. A lot of plastic. Doesn't look like anything got damaged or anything in transit. My 4th axis is in there. I don't see my vise though. Maybe that's someplace else. Automatic tool changer. It's like a 12er, like it's supposed to be. So far looking good. Okay, here we go, more sides. Okay, first walk around. Got the AdTech 4650. That all looks good. Here, I'll even do a little taking off of it for you. So there's that. Looks pretty good. Tool changer. Looks pretty sweet. Some pictures you don't normally get to see is everything. This kind of really impressed me. That was really clean. They really made that nice and clean. Look at that. This is really nice and clean. Pretty sweet. So, there it is. Okay, this is the way I'm getting Skyfire off the crate. Floor jack, 1.5 inch tubing, or actually rectangle tubing underneath. Had to double up one side. Okay, so I got it up. Got the wheels on. Now, systematically lower it a little bit at a time. Should do it. Alright, bit scary, but hey, safest way I figured out how to do it. Alright, there you go. Well, that was fun. Well, it's on the ground all the way around. It's on top of my hoist. I have a car lift in my garage. So now we're going to move it as soon as I get a little help here to push it around a little bit. We'll move it over to here where my Charter Oaks is at. We're going to put the new one there, then move the Charter Oaks down this way. So there it is. Pretty sweet. Well, unfortunately, first thing I had to do was take the side cover off so I could get to the door and fix the track on the inside. I don't know if you can see it, but the track comes and it hits right there, which means the door would only open about halfway. So, you know, it just is what it is, you know, as far as that goes. But, you know, you would think, and there's no way this happened in transit. I don't think. I'm thinking it was right from the factory. So it should have been something that should have been taken care of there. But, you know, you don't really know. When it's going over the ocean and stuff like that, bumps, things could have moved or tweaked a little bit. But, you know, first day and I'm already having to work on it, which, you know, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that the door should have been able to open up all the way out of the get-go, because, you know, opening halfway, you just can't work on it. So anyway, so that's what's happening. Not, you know, not a big deal. I'm not, you know, too upset about it. It just is what it is. I just got to get it fixed. And once I get it fixed, I'll, you know, let everybody know how to fix it. But other than that, the machine, everything looks good. I mean, you know, the machine, all the wiring was done really nice and clean. So, you know, I'm feeling good about that. That's, you know, a good telltale sign of quality is, you know, how well the electrical is done. And it looks really well. Okay, next. Well, I ended up having to take the door completely off to be able to fix this. So here's the problem right here. The track is hitting right there, right here. It's hitting. It wouldn't let the door open up all the way. It would go this far and stop, and it should, you know, it should go all the way out. So I gotta figure out what, and you see it was rubbing, so it's something's not adjusted right or something. So I'm going to get that fixed so my door opens up all the way. Shouldn't be a big deal, but you know, it's a deal as far as that goes. So there it is. I'll get back with you in a minute. Okay, got her fixed up. Okay, so now you can see how this piece right, oh, sorry, wrong hand. This piece right here will now slide by there. Before it wasn't sliding by there. So what I had to do, because this is a built-in type of deal, I think this got crushed somehow. I don't know how. So what I did was I took a pair of channel locks and put them in here and bent this channel back out a little bit to give it a little clearance. It didn't take a lot, but I did that, and then I took and ground this a little bit right here. Then tighten the screws up, of course. So now it's got clearance. So now my door will open up all the way, which will be awesome. Finally, it's kind of hard to work with the door closed, but I just got it today, so I haven't even worked on it. But you know, I knew the door was wrong. So anyway, oh gosh, almost fell. So anyway, so there it is. That's the fix. I'm going to put it back together now, and hopefully the next videos and stuff will be a lot more positive instead of a little negative here. But I don't know what could have happened, you know, as far as that goes. It was packaged really well. I don't see any reason why that would have happened. I don't see how it got bypassed at the factory if it actually, you know, was a problem. But it is what it is. So here we go. Out. Okay, I put the door back on and we'll check. Now it slides like it's supposed to slide all the way open. I haven't put the front cover back on here, but now it works. all the way over like it's supposed to. So much better, much better. Don't like that little scrape thing going on there. But as far as it working, everything now, it seems to be working fine. And as soon as I tighten this up and stuff, it should get rid of all the scraping and things down here. It needs to just pull in with the bolt that goes through here. So it should be good. Now I'm more jazzed. So anyway, so it's looking pretty good. I don't have a lot of room. It seems like this is my Charter Rogue CNC next to it that is moving over a little bit to get the new baby in here. So hopefully everything will work out. Hopefully I'll have it hooked up tomorrow. It's going to hook up today, but with this door thing, I wanted to get the door finished. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Bye.